Yo, what's up, YouTubes? I'm here with my dog, Napoleon. What's up? And we're here with another unboxing video. It's gonna be these chocolate hazelnut Oreos, or Nutella Oreos, as I like to call them. All right, you ready to unbox these, buddy? Huh? You ready to do it? I think he's ready. Let's do it. All right. There we go. Gonna check these bad boys out. I'm stoked. Oh, that actually smells really good. What do you think, buddy? Try it out. Not interested? He's not interested. I'll try it, though. That is legit. You are missing out. You're missing out, buddy. That's right, I'm in your face. You're missing out. Don't bite me. All right, YouTubes, I give these ones an A+. You've got to try... Oh, he's out. But I'm in. More from me. Later!